Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS LTD Deals. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel and also click on that bell icon so that you never miss any of our exclusive uploads. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review WP Stack. WP Stack is a tool that lets you control all the functionalities of your website. And a lot of the times, especially for beginners, the default WordPress dashboard can be super complicated. In that case, you can use WP Stack. And the best part is, if you have multiple WordPress websites, you can manage all of them in one single dashboard of WP Stack. Let's have a look at some more features. So as you can see, as I have said earlier, you can manage all your projects or all your websites in one platform, and then you can also get the ultimate content manager. With this content manager, you can auto-publish to social media, you can schedule your post on calendar, you can also make sure everything is up to the mark in terms of SEO, you can also bulk publish your content from Google Drive, and then there are some other features such as you can get the in-depth analytical SEO data. For example, this could be Page Explorer or Keyword Explorer. You can also see the sitemap view, and then you can also get the automate internal linking feature, actionable traffic analysis, and so on. A great news is WP Stack is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. So instead of the regular pricing of $220, you only have to pay $49, and this will give you a lifetime access to this tool. And keep in mind that this is a one-time payment, which means you are going to pay this $49 one single time, and then you are going to get access to WP Stack forever. So if you want to buy WP Stack from Appsumo as a lifetime deal, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this Appsumo deal, and these are some of the codes that you can buy from Appsumo. So if you buy the single code, which costs $49, you can host 3 websites on this, and 2 users will be able to collaborate on this code. The double cost is going to cost $98 with 9 websites and 4 users. There are also multiple codes, and the highest code is 10 codes, where you can host 200 websites. 20 users can collaborate together. WP Stack also has subscription plans. As you can see, these are the plans. So after you log into WP Stack, you will get this dashboard. As you can see on the left side, there are some options such as you can see all of your websites on this section. You can manage all of your clients. You can also see how many people are collaborating with you on this team section. And then there is dashboard. So currently we are in this content manager section. From here you can publish your content directly to your WordPress website. There is no need to copy and paste. For example, most of the writers write their articles or content, written content on Google Docs, and all you have to do is paste your Google Drive folder on this box, and then you simply have to click on this import button, and this is going to import all the articles, all the content that is currently staying on that particular folder, which means you can bulk publish your content and there is no need to copy paste anything to WordPress editor. And when you are publishing a content, you are going to get various features such as you can add the title, you can select the category, the tags, the author. You can also set the featured image, and for images you do not have to add anything of your own. You can also take royalty free images from stock photos. All you have to do is search on this option. And there is also an SEO checklist feature where you can add meta title, permalink, and meta description. So this is going to ensure your content is ranking well on Google. And another feature is you can even schedule your post, and this is something you do not get on the default WordPress editor. So now we are in the scheduler section or the calendar section. On this calendar section, you will be able to schedule your post for later. For example, you have a lot of content and you want to publish them on a regular basis, one by one. You can do that using the scheduler. All you have to do is click on this plus icon, schedule post, and then import your post. And then all you have to do is drag and drop that post to a particular date. For example, I have added this content to this date and this content to this date, as you can see. So this way you can schedule your content, which is great. And for scheduling, you get 2 platforms. One is Facebook and Instagram. So after the content manager, you also get the performance monitor of WP Stack. So this feature basically scans various pages of your website to show you how good a page is performing in terms of these statistics. And you can also see the mobile statistics as well as the desktop one. So as you can see, currently I have these pages, and these are some of the metrics as you can see. And if you want to see a page in a more detailed manner, you have to click on this view result, and then you will get this. So you can see the performance score, the accessibility, the best practice, the SEO score, and you can also see other metrics as you can see. So here comes another feature that is never available on a default WordPress dashboard. You can even publish your content or share your content on social media directly from this section. So as you can see, this is the link that I have written on this box, and you can also get a preview of this, so how it is going to look on Facebook. And then you can schedule this post, or you can also post immediately. And one of my favorite features of this social media is that you can even access your messages that are currently staying on your social medias. For that, you have to go to this messages section. And then as you can see, these are two of the conversations that I have. So now I can start chatting with them, replying to their messages directly from WP Stack's dashboard. And then there are the activity logs, so you can see how many people are logging into this WP Stack. As I have said earlier, you can add multiple members, team members to this WP Stack tool, and you can also see what they are doing when they're logging into your account. So you can see the user, the ID, the severity, the date, the objective, the event type, and also the IP address. Then there is a site audit feature built in on WP Stack. So if I scan this site for audit, admissionly.com, as you can see, this is the IP, the server, the current crawl, next crawl, crawl credits. You can see various issues distribution, the number of errors, warnings, notices, the health score, pages crawled, URL found, and so many other types of statistics. And then there is the SEO feature. So on this section, you can see from where your traffic are coming. You can see the search appearance. You can also see the devices your users are using, and also what pages do your users visit the most. Then there is a very useful feature of WP Stack, which is automatic backup. It is going to make sure your content, all of your videos, written content, all of them are properly backed up. So as you can see, this is the backup statistics, the backup overview, and some other details. And if you are concerned about the security of your website, you do not have to do that, because WP Stack has their built-in malware scanner. It is going to scan all of your websites to make sure there is no security threat to your websites, as you can see. Now back to the dashboard section, you can get an overview of how your website is doing. So you can see the domain info, the WordPress plugin, theme, users info, the uptime. You can also see the backup status. And I also really like, you can even see the organic data, such as the total amount of clicks, the impressions, average CTR, and average position. So overall, I think WP Stack is an excellent tool that gives you the option to manage multiple WordPress websites in one platform. And you can do so many things on this, such as you can publish content, you can bulk publish content, you can schedule your content for social media. You can connect your social media account to post on there. You can also schedule posts. You can reply to messages. And about the website, there are so many features, such as the SEO feature, the malware scanner, and the backup, automatic backup. So all in all, I think WP Stack is an excellent tool that is definitely going to be worth your money. So if you want to buy this tool on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. These are the features that you are going to get with this tool, and these are some of the codes that you can buy from Appsumo. So that's it for our today's video. I hope you have found the video to be helpful. If you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this.